This is how to install a center glass in a 2015 to present Chevy Colorado and GMC Canyon. Now, first thing you have to do is there are plastic tracks up in here. Ours already have them removed. In the top and in the bottom, there's plastic tracks. Just grab them with a pair of needle nose pliers and just pull them out. And then what you have to do is, as I've shown here, there is a little piece of rubber that hangs down here at the top. If you push a razor knife in till you hit the metal of this actual track and you trim it off with just a regular razor knife, you will be able to insert the glass into the bottom channel and then slip it in right at the top, just like that. And then take your plastic tracks that you took out from the bottom and top and then push the glass up and slide it in at the bottom and pull the glass down and slide in the top one.